Student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. All the best. We discuss here mole concept. 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. It is a quantity. For example, 1 dozen is 12. Like that, 1 mole is equal to this quantity, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. Now this can be ion, this can be molecule, this can be atom. You see, if they will ask 1 mole of iron, then you have to use this much ions. If they will say 1 mole of atom, then you have to say this Avogadro number. Atoms, 1 mole of molecule, so this much molecule. Okay. Now 1 mole of every gas occupy 22.4 liter of volume. This occupy 22.4 liter of volume, any gas. And 1 mole of molecule at STP, I forget to write, you write down at STP, only at STP, okay. And 1 mole of a molecule is equal to GMM, that is gram molecular mass of a molecule. Now we will discuss so many questions. See, weight of 1 molecule of water, we know 1 mole of water is equal to 18 gram of water. This is gram molecular mass. So 1 mole is containing how many molecules? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. I told you here 1 mole of water molecule means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of water are having mass 18 gram, because 18 gram per mole is the molar mass of the water. So 1 molecule will having, calculate or simplify it, 2.989, or you can write down 2.99 also into 10 to the power minus 26 kg. In terms of gram you can say, or in terms of kg. This is asked in MCQ. Many times it is asked in MCQ. Okay, so actually everybody is calculating from grams, but they are asking about kg. So only 30 here, minus 23 here, minus 26. That's it. 2 mole of water, how many grams? So twice of GMM, that is 18 into 2, that is 36 gram. Now 1 mole of any substance or molecule is equal to fixed Avogadro number of molecule, gram molecular mass of the molecule, and if it is a gas, it will occupy 22.4 liter of the gas. Now I have written so many gases here. For example, NO2 molecular mass you can calculate out, and ammonia 17 gram per mole, SO2 64 gram per mole, and this is 16 gram per mole. This NO2 is having 46 gram per mole. Okay, and but volume occupied 22.4 liter at STP. Remember this thing. Okay, all gases. Now here volume occupied by 2 mole of oxygen gas. 1 mole of oxygen gas occupied 22.4. So twice of it will be occupied by 2 mole. Okay. Now 1 mole of ammonia is equal to this much molecule is equal to gram